Musha kanjani bathini disemothweni hayi phola sinenge ngichill sisembolweni hayi. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to another episode, a special episode of Emo Training All the Time podcast. I'm your boy Lloyd Stacks, Big Mia, Big Twanini, Big Sbewo. And today I have a special guest. He goes by the name of SV109 Entertainment, baby.
You know.
Sure, man. Grand I am.
Langajan fit zonke man grand now.
Emo Training.
Yes, sir.
All the time. Like, so singene kuye first time singabe siyitsala la
Langajan.
So to the people who don't know you out there, can you just give us a little intro, man? Who are you and where you from and you know what you do?
Okay. Hello everybody. Otherwise Kamalam Baxolele. Kamtila, John Mbondo Misumpangomo. Otherwise originally apho nisuka khona. So I'm in a small town of Cradock. Yes, a Cradock, yeah. But I'm proud of it because I couldn't Cradock. So yeah. Chita was a Cradock, particularly needs been alape by bone, woman, Pumandingena. So, yeah, Nalaban Kulele, otherwise, I was here for like since like 2000, I think.
Yeah, 2000.
It's my second home, about PE, yeah. So, Chita ya go by the name of SV. Chita was a kasi, street veteran. So yeah, ndiphizi nalomculo, yeah, namaphewoma. So yeah, man.
Yeah, so like growing up like Cradocks, like how was it back in the days, like when you were growing up, like go to Cradock?
Yeah, I'm originally from a Cradock, like Salele pa. Ndihambele pha ndachipe pha, you got.
Was in the family like Spani?
Apha nandisenozala.
Okay.
There was a school also, so yeah. Then funda ke time.
Yeah.
Phinde ndizeko later ngizofunda like mhlawumbe umnyaka enye 2 years. Yeah, you know besenza lana but from uya kwa 5 and then bengela cala, so ndifunda ke time and then that's at this side from kwa 6. Yeah, from Apelma High until ke ngoku yabona phuma, but ndifundile lo endala. Yeah, ndifundile until some move apart to John Masiza. Yeah, so yeah.
That's good.
You know, then from John Masiza to a Cradock back, you know.
Cradock back. And then when did you finally come back? I
think we are like ngexesha ndizofunda ke ngoku nyani hlala nonozala kwicala, like because beningu in and out, yeah, you got me. So ndazohlala nonozala ke ngokwecala, I think ngokusengidona ba hayi ke ngibone nzaba full time ndifunde, yes, ndilapha yabo college money yokuba time enza manje ndivisitela, you know. So yeah,
I see. And then like so like a Cradock, how was what's the difference between a Cradock na lapha, like bona like kunjani pha compared to up? Would you say like poor like it's just the grand?
No, pakumendlini the grand. Yeah, time I no. It is ba mengendlela right yabo. The difference is it's a small town, yabo. Umuntu lapha, itown lapha yabo, but life yakhona good.
Okay.
Life good.
Akhona makasi like likasi lona kanye.
Likasi ligrena, I won't say ilali.
Okay.
It's not something like ilali, likasi nje. I will say ababehlala khona like kukamakasi like abizwa amagama like Barcelona, Atalanta yabo. So I would say likasi lifana like amazwide, so if you go check la macala, yeah, likasi nje yabo, but indawo grand. Like yeah, but it different is that licala quiet, ndunake into zakhe yabo. You won't find these needs ezenzeka up, ezenzeka that side yabo. So indawo grand, but icala lobahla like into ezifana nezipani noni ifumanise ke yabo ngasikuze kwezindawo zifana nomabhayi and stuff to get your life going, you got me. So yeah, mfethu
most abantu la yaphi baze ba yo so spana la because even not that option I was still like kuze yapha ngesipana RP to Grotmani la.
Okay, shit, bro, no, may you so rest in peace, bro.
So yeah, uthi ba sweet Cradock kwazibama ngapha Grootman. So
permanent
like so permanently.
Yeah.
So like nan dala nakubona Pikas la yabo. Like back in the days when ngikwadlala ibhola la.
Good. Yeah.
Khumule ngadlala iCosmos la.
I was a big star.
Go I binibona phana. So
thank you mfethu.
When did you start like football yakho la?
Going back at Craig Dog ngidlalile ibhola yabo at Craig Dog. Then udlala kwamphana I think inembangele ndikwazi like ukhula fasting ebhola is that anzange ngidlale indanga zami Craig Dog. Bidlala eGrootmans. And maseka like besidlala like kwi-court encane ndisidlala ngaza disc is a tennis yabona lapha and you bidlala eGrootmans ndizilate to the point about don't hey small uzethe ngawe yabo and then other guy anthatha ejimini ba yefuna ngayojima man and then ase ejimini as the same thing so the guys decided no ba yefjonga uyadlala yabo to the point yoba ngaba ukule level eGrootmans izidlala but then again ukumuva kwami kubuyela ngapha ndifike ndahlala ixesha eninzi ngayidlali until ndabona ba hey mana competition ngoku teams izidlalayo then yadlala so I started with a club nebizwa iBlack Stars back then.
Black Stars.
Yes, Black Stars. Okay, otherwise I team la competition ina amabhulu ke ngayithela. I team eGrand yabo and ke ngola xesha ke yo sasicala too much. Sasicala ba what is this?
Wallabies.
Yeah, before you maling and stuff kwakhe
la. Len
Celtics yes sahlala ke la bala.
Khona le Celtics layers before. Yeke bala yena.
Okay, lokujinga kulo ikhona and then iCosmos I think discovered each other sidlala naye friend so then they say hey this boy
when was that like hla ngokunyaka la kanya wasakhumula
ngizokha nakukhumbula but
like sign
ngikhumbula na sign
well I know was legend
you know thanks man
yeah
since then zange ngibuye ngihamba ke football
kwaba iCosmos so legend iCosmos la
big time
legend iCosmos isekhona iCosmos
sekhona iCosmos and ne-youngsters namajita adlalayo umahola bakhona amajita ayadlala but you know mosizini asoze zifane sometimes na back then you know but no amajita asadlala for i-badge and proud of them. Legend he's a legend bro.
And then uyekile wena football like
football because of ibona ezinye izinto bro neSpani so and then once iSpani usifumanayo sometimes asikunika la chance yoba like kwazi uyojima because football yajinga you chance bona kwazi nje just say bandi udlala you know ungayijonga xa uyibukela uqonda hama ndingangena ndlale but idinga fitness yabo so but on the weekends xa ndikhona apha kumendlini ndiyazi offerisha for the refereeing you know ndiyami no ref if akhona ndiyenzayo
sintswem so like ngilixesha udlala ibhola like le way yomculo like have you always been doing it like when did like le way yakho your rapper like start like when did it actually start did it start a Craig Dog kanye
okay before I get there bro I think this balances as it too at some point been balances as it too like ibhola at the same time bona late need your perform you know but in the mculo I think proof like mculo wise bengingawenza Craig Dog umculo but ndikhule nomakhulu ixesha eninzi yabo ngicama lika time so ndangumuntu wayekwazi uhlala esitulweni ehlombe like ngibethe igubu yabo like ndicimela so umakhulu wami was like hey wena ingathina nomculo phakathi nokuchwasa and stuff yabo but apha eKasi man I mean ukufika kwami apha yabo umamela ngoma like eGrootmans like obhele yabo ochosen ezaplazi yabo
yazi chosen sekhona
I'm not sure but ngidla ngombona like koma sama strand chosen amajita la irash izinto ngo but back then si like MMA you know ipuras like umamela zonke mano program amela amajita yabo and then you like hey you want to get to this thing yabona because you nabe ndifeel like I can bone
uphinga like sisa scale kanye no
sisa scale at that time yabona sisa scale but benungishito kwazi usibhalela kahle even without ibinto nibhale but you know awuyazi noba kubethwa baphi oma record aphi ithini into udibana nabanye yabo. So it came that way bra until to the point about sadibana namajita like attitude he's been doing it ke
udibene phi no attitude la
just bena bebhanye
like what year like maybe what years let's take it back
Steven scale bro used to back you ngathi somdala lo wana mfundini you
2004 yo cause from Dala City 2004
yabona bro I don't want to lie I'm not good in numbers no date nocinga but dala phasi ibambile nomshita wami and then ibreak isibanazo sibreak nje imanzi inyanga nasiphinde yabo sidibane and ndiyayithanda one xa sidibene no juice sibangale way siba about music
understand so like uthe ufike like yazibona Grootman la is data bono le olet otamaster mavila so pro rhymes yesho mna ndifike late man emlweni so ndifike when I started doing good kukhukho bani yo dala necolo ngotamaster yila ke so like usithi buzibhalela nawe
okay
kubana abantu be inspiration those times like yo man mhlambi umamelo bani la xesha like musical
yabona bro as if like ungarelate kumculo wami ngijita like rapper like kasi yabona mfethu and then like amajita enawamamele too much like yabona ba like ama Bricado so bricks you understand me pro kid yabona yonke la rush bro foundation bani yabona ngesikhathala amajita that's where utonda yejonga at some point yayibawela uyenza lento because bebechala and bebekhala even wena xa umamele you understand me you dig bro
yenza bathi lula manje we
you understand me that's why it is to ifike kuwe to the point ichale ba yenze yes it's not easy but I think amajita bro I think those are guys bro you understand me bro
Brown Dash
and then esiba umculo wahamba ke then ufumana amajita endleleni along like abo Pro Kid I mean olandu alomjita
I want to ask
abitheke esikole ngoku so
okay
kanje you understand me so umamela amajita esibuku usisa bro so
Nefuna ibuza about okay Pro Kid like now what do you say is the greatest rapper of all time in SA?
Sorry?
Pro Kid is he the greatest of all time ever SA rapper? Cause like all these OGs like some of these rappers is famous like yo Pro Kid but like what's your like who's your greatest rapper of all time ever SA?
Yo man I think mfethu for a question about like kubuzwe kwa Pro Kid suppose iba khona kwa umbuzo you understand come on bro you don't even have to ask big question marks and stuff sitting bro we know bro ba ku level ishini wayibeka ngendlela yakhe yabo right
and akhomba uzoyibeka la hlo
no ways bro I'll say bro he is man he's him bro
man
he's him bro come on bro
I feel like for me like the commercial commercial success yabala man
okay
you can be in I get why Abantu City is the code because Linda Ithetaya like
you understand bro
I feel like
man now he's a code bro
fuck the commercial success like as long as
you understand and iyakwazi no inspire abanye abantu uyabona mfethu so even lapho uhamba khona you can ask about bro come on bro you are it's like bazachazela bro bona
man so back to you like when did you record your first song like like can you tell us like the process of making your first song?
It's a long journey man I think if ingoma sasibaninzi man yabo like ndim attitude lakhe Kolumjina Tom Pele but I think na he's always in peace as well no Maka na may he's always in peace
so
Sasikomle unity bra.
Sikomla
akubhalwa. Kakurejwa bra kangadlalwa ndiyabazi ke mosonomaka.
Namazi nomaka.
Yabo kangadlalwa bra like kakurejwa. I think dibana namajita but unshita ndibana kakhulu ngale wing attitude sinengoma back then bra. Like umzekelo for example elaxesha kwakungekho lula like ngelihlobo loba okay ungeza music and then release like ukwazi uvaya emntwini wonke to thina besirecorda khupha ingoma yaziwa uviyela nje lana bayaziwa you understand me. Yeah, so I think I was saying ngoma yami yokuqala man I think sa recorda nomshita man and sasifitizela kule woma bra.
That record like when was the do you remember a studio? Like a studio sakabani?
If I'm not lying, I think brother, I know Tamex, ehlala ePortville lo bra. I think in studio lo bra sasirecorda ke studio. Yeah, and then I think since studio sasirecorda kuso Tam Krizo, if you know Tam Krizo.
Trapadan.
Yeah.
Trapadan.
Ma?
Ulapha pase umtas.
Lamolo Trapadan I'm taking Tam Krizo ngikhuluma nehlala phezulu I mean legend thani hip hop abehoma kakhulu yabo. So yeah.
That's when you started recording.
If ngitsari remember kahle yeah and elaxesha ke ukaqhina lewe so but just of passion uyenza anyways you understand.
Yeah, didn't know no marka zayile no mna no tapele la we
babebhala strong
khona mwazi no marka zayi KFC yo
what
no la rush and then KFC no like KQ no see man.
Nah, mazi ke zo rush
but mas late na like nina
yeah I think uzomazi late thina funa sekuqala bona sihlasenyuke leyo uma kunetha kubanda sikhangela o recorder and thina bese like basifumene ibeat sihlasela sonke basifumene ibeat sihlasela sonke and I think sasinayo ngoma yayi hit up home but yayi tribute I think yayikhona umshita wayehlala kuNosipho wasulekayo so akakuthiwa nguLwando so samenzela lo mshita tribute song bra so plus asiyama ngayo everywhere so yeah man.
And then like then perform kanye zaninga perform like where did you perform like ingoma zenu better like growing up?
Okay, at that time sasina perform but sami singongoza yabo like dibana namajita like ikhotmanzi ophele yabo like you ufuna ufaka isithi akuthiwa yekhame efundini yabo because ifuneke uqale kaloku ingaqala kubakho meetings before iza show so thina sasicimba
verse kuye pha
nje bisho isenzeka right now you know uyapha ufaka into yakho but asami singongoza and then sa performer eoma high I think kwakho show yayikhona inkulu eoma high if yabona iquads ka performer pha kuqale
ngoma high
and even aphaza ngisinike chance yoba because thina siyazambela and then everyone wa performer onke lamajita o master banza performers zonke ibhulas and then ke ngokusanika isinto yethu thina and then we performed la tribute everyone wayegoduka at that time bra ngelaxesha bayiphelile show bra kabuywa kwagcwala right now just because of jila ngoma yeah and then I think esinye stage sesibini sethu I think kwangaba phezulu khona ukuthiwa scrapyard and if you don't know scrapyard G West club high back kodwa yasa se performer napha I think zombini ezandawo zindawo sasitone by here.
As the question like I've never asked about it OG like how good was ubhekele lawe?
You bro. You?
Yeah.
Hey, it was too much.
You? We have to do a documentary about Ubhekele.
No, Ibra was talented, bro. Ibra was talented to the point where wakusupposed kwalapha eKasi mfethu yabo. Isikudala wasishiya. Yabo wayerepresent apha emazweni because Ibra was talented, bro. I remember ndifika kuye room in the city ndifuna record ingoma, ndifuna ukwenza umculo and he was serious like anjonge ebusweni like are you sure? And I was like, yeah, Dan, sure. From going to go, okay, John, I'm in the piece of William Holmes. So, I'm coming. I was like, yo, it's seriously, bro. I bro. Yeah, so you tell us serious and Upele is one of the.
I'm in a situation in the way, okay. And saya paguya man lawe sicela recorder into lawe elangaka la change la tjongani non jonga simdacha xa nisotywaleni
Okay,
cima
okay.
ungasithetha nam ngumculo
Usejwaleni, yeah.
oh serious apha nayi understand yo ithatha
He was serious, bro. He was serious umculo. Angasoze uvele uthi gcina uthethe ngomculo. He was serious, bro, ngalawe.
yeah man
I think beyiphila mfethu kuye.
but they end up like as time goes on because nam nje bengiqala urapper like
Okay.
I was benisiya like bukele Grootman
Yeah.
ezinye Grootman bezindibona ndiperform ngibone njani la
Okay.
shout out to how we need to do a documentary
Of course,
No
bro.
way.
Of course, I deserve it.
no ways if the slaughter is watching this for naked the slaughter state so
Shout out Slaughterman.
we have to talk about
Kanjani, bro?
bala from utabhele la we
Kanjani?
so lithi mina sisikom la ta ngone ta attitude no pele hey man line
Skomla unit.
Skomla unit la
Eskomla unity, bro, to the point yoba ngaba mfethu sasibhala, don't wanna lie. Sasibhala and sasikhupha umculo grand, yabo?
Yeah.
To the point yoba ngaba wakhe show eMasifunde. Sasikhuphisana namajitona kanjani.
Yeah.
And ayayazi interview so isha ngayibukela. So sasiphana ke siperforma yabo and yayishow yayiwinwa kakhi prizes yeah. So inikaza laba phezulu I mean body fans bro. Yabona lamajitona kanjani and siyabulala stage like asinasizi sikhupheze yasizaziyo ba and igqebekha ngela xesha amashito egqebekha ke yabo isaphelele nokwawo awekwi front seat like front row ejongile and then azabulazi nazo za believe ukuthi yeah we believe kwethu kuze eCrootman after sibelieve ukuthi zasicela yabo sasikhapha kwithoza zinayo motherwell so sama noCrootman saya pha.
So uthi kule competition wawina ba ona kanjani?
Yeah, because of as a fans babe busy behamba nazo yabo. Sababona bezinika like imali like mashita come on talent lena besas talent nona nonenzayo yabo. Yeah yo.
Yeah, athanda kanjani fika zithetha liwe apha la.
Azoyibeka icace futhi. Otherwise ayisha yami yayazi.
But yeah, like that was nice. Nakhumbula uma azathanda bakho shows ke.
Yeah, back then bakho shows bakumandi bro.
Ngoku asekho shows uma high la we. Ayinoba zisekhona but man.
I think izinto ezifuna kanjelo bro. I think lezi nesapikazi ngizifuna kanjelo sifuna uphakanyelo. Akusekhondo like very ze. Ngendlela yabo. Like umzekelo kwathina if like sifuna gigs akunika uziphakamele
inyani no lakhe yazenzela gigs la yabona la
ke wena saying bro so I think safuneka uphakame wena yabo wenzelela akho umuntu apha like okanye mhlawumbe lo group and say yabo let's do this apikasi sibiza abafana abathile sibaziyo bacula bazokwenza
into ngina ngibona nani ni performer kaMasifune la eqhamulela like inxaki beniqhala ngibona dabhala ngona go there I'm gonna so phina ngibuyele
yeah
so like okay nithi nibethe ingoma neSkom la manje recorder manje ni perform like even went to competition manje ni touration and the kabekha bekum ngobani ola no tax nalo
yeah tax nalo
wayekula no
ngani Tasnezo yeah khona iNcroomans kodwa I don't think mhlawumbe amagama nisawabambile but khona iNcroomans ine-threats bangta but yeah sure of his name but yeah
qabekha la that's late la
I don't think we're not nobuyekile urap but it's just that like leno besithetha earlier that sometimes it's fun you know siyakususa kwezinye izinto then you find yourself usenza singles yabo once a year yabo kanye mhlawumbe yapha enyakeni ngoma ezi2
haven't recorded in 3 years
that's what I'm taking about ubuya ngoku John still away you think
usila sabona umbeka ngonzo in the podcaster whatever
you got mics bro you can practice
anya Brusile la so like after iSkom like where did you go to a movement because I didn't know about the movement la I just saw like when I was doing research late
okay
because nikwazi uhlala isoka that's it and then go sit yo yeah man that SV la but before we even get to that like the name SV how did it come about
okay yabona ke samajita sihle like like funeka kubizwe ngamagama because senza lento ngene akumuntu negama lo rapper and stuff yabo so everyone azicingela baye Martin and ngabe ndetha like SV and nama ngakagqibi bathi thina ngalo SV yabo so namanye amashit asibiza Black Magic pele Black Magic yabo mulakhe being notorious you understand so usalamagama Ujide bene kamel bambekayo ke belisaziwa ngo-attitude background ngegama lakhe so and then I come up with this SVA and I was like no man senza lo mculo apha eKasi and I've been umshida waseKasi I've been on these streets yabo so I was like man SV man I'm a street veteran whatever you think so yabo man so it came yellow hlobo Brian and I was like okay I'll stick with it
and ever since August
but kunamaxesha ngicinga like I want bawela man ulithi but sometimes that way take time you know
nam ndaqala nge-whack ass name whack ass name nam like Lizzy Manjizi leyo
uba
Lizzy Manjizi
Lizzy Manjizi
no front tamata na
cheesy man
ngaloyiso man
okay
so man LM like
dlala man be creative
man after some time man Lloyd Stack or Lloyd Banks la kama so man la kama
I know Lloyd Banks
Susa Banks
okay
Fagu Stacks
but so cool name bro cool Lloyd Stacks you know
no SV like that
and
then movement came in like when did you join the movement
and I think at that time I think nebhola ngithi ngiphuma kancane ngondi join akweliqala ke ngobe sengiphuma kancane yabe khama xesha like bene games but ifocus yami ngokubone bese shiftela ngapha i-movement ndizoyijoin again ngo-attitude because mina ngela xesha bese siyenza umculo sonke besike saphinda sanqaba musiyabo nami ngaba no-attitude wangaba umuntu wenza into yakhe man life unique so ngabe ndirecorda ku-Tasplay if you usplay usplash so nangumuntu mane sisebenzela yedwa ke ngoku yabo after into yescom la so mane sibethela lo single ku-Tasplash and shout out to him bro he's good producer is good yabo so that is not ixesha eninzi yabo and then attitude find out into bangaba manika at least kube busy yabo kube busy wedwa mani mamela fundini space ezansi man amajito Simon yabo opro yabo so I was like man at least attitude umjile naziyo isebenzina ixesha eninzi wacho so zaba comfortable so it was easy for me uya kuyojoina even though zange ndasebenza no Capadina before but ikhuluma bisazana yabo ngiyabindazi ikhuluma bendiyazi yabo pro rhyme nazanga ndasebenza naye before but bisazana like nengoma naye like na recorder kuye no lakhe and it was a banger bro so sa recorder no lakhe ngoma so ufika kwami ke movement ndifike kukhabo bantu to the point yoba nakona ama now akubanzima at least comfortable at least amazo attitude amazo pro then le khuluma man bone ulanduka uTasimon so you understand so like God ama ayizuba ibone ayizuba issue lawo so why not yabo and then I joined the gang and then it was history
like kuno tamine league right
really nice was joined later on sesithuba
yabo
Gadbody was joined later on sesithuba and then Gadbody came in and then awufika nayo izinto yakhe wafika izinto yakhe
tamina league like time tashe chuta talaki time tasha takotbo time tasha la
yazuliso lakhe
ta yo tama bama tan free la
yazuliso yekuzulisa lakhe come here my bro
he's Furman so like so you joined the gang like after that like what did you work on like did you release any projects like
Prime movement be release like isikokoko like ibingoma because we are always in studio nazi beat so asikwazi uhlala nje siyahlala siyacinga nansi beat khwelwa phezukwayo khwelwe micing yabo thathwa la ngoma iyafihla save ibekwa pha ngenwa kenye yabo even if ipulas bezihlelele mhlawumbe zishelele izinto zazo zipholile if kudlalwe lo beat straight to it yabo so and it might be bang after bang and then to the point where I think bese group bra angizothi hlamba phe woma but besike say group ikhawuleze yafumana i-fan base same time yabona bra sikhawuleze afumana numbers kwi following you think
kuzifaka gaming
okay
ngicela ke le movement
thanks bra bekusetshenzwa bra like bekusetshenzwa serious when it comes back yasetshenzwa iborders bezisebenza yabo and if zange kwenzeke whatever izenzekileyo bra if namhlanje mhlambi sise movement I believe
like what happened
yo bra I don't know the details I don't want to lie and ke at that time kusenzeka izinto mina I think ngathi kancinci yabo bese this distance kancinci yabona mfethu and not to distance acaba iphutha zanvanazo nokuthini yabo cha benithanda bane excuses nike nibheke e-studio yabo and ke kwelinye icala mfethu abantu bakuma kwethu man yabo basebenza ngendlela different yeah so I think nami ndahamba kana phoseka kwezinto ezininzi so maybe that is why phela this distance yabo and then nokushona ke eGrootman yabo so rest in peace and ne group ke yabo
but all in all
was good bro. I'm telling you bro every I'm for it you're right and besebenza professional so registered some so perform with Splash but at that time beki COVID so say opera house so we performed there and the Marvelous was Kappa
it's true
Grootman esincedisa sakreni
Xesha like benina rivals alamaxesha kanye it was beninzi umculo beni cool everyone kanye abantu pe-rushing yenu like yona nibigrand la xesha
la besigrand ne but if like umzekelo bungumuntu nawe mhlawumbe uziculela yapha umuntu artist buzayifeel ipressure
okay
ne besingamanje ndafaka ipressure like bese group and ke ngosi group yamanje daza naye bakyaretsha ke lamanje ayazi bayenzayo hayi ngabantu abayiqalayo ngabantu abayazweni bayenzayo so if now ukhona uzakwenza umculo then ngona feel pressure uzifeel aba kanene kids put us yeah ngalokho yabona ibala way anyways bra even back then like I mean like back with Russia your enemy uyazi bakuperforma izabulas khona kulo poster bezabe nikhona uyazi it's a pressure bra you understand so that ukuperform hle kuva because awuzikwazi ukukhwela eva kobani because yayazi
nyali la yala yongaflu bangenimba kubani
yeah so everything was good bra yami yabo nase studio bekakubhalwa ubona ba be competition ahead to the point about inglo nje ufuna ubeka into yakhe ivakala yeah understand yeah so beku good bra no one lie ses performing akoma grow performing na majina bekumandi bra
umntaya qala kwamzamba ya umculo ndalo nikubona ka umtasi or something like that but you like clashes I would say I don't know maybe 3 years or 4 years
okay
long time ago though but I don't go to me so can be Roman Zobugera ke artist ya rap and then in the stage in na
okay
the tenyumo mtwa inodiwana kathi musiphini uvuke
yeah
khalika tiwatwa iphini yo omeyo rana de talawe phini lawe so how did the song like come about like man I hate
yeah thanks man thanks bro I mean I think disena ina namhlanje la ngo yeah disena I think disena
why don't you ngoma zami phuna
ne yeah nakena sifuna izingoma zami ku display taya yazi into ze computer and stuff yeah bro yo la ngoma bro
why record that like how did it come about
ukurekhoda ngayirekhoda ku Splash
that's Splash
ngayirekhoda ku Splash la ngoma yabo and ngithathe ixesha bandirekhode kuye because ngena yo yabona ke was the guy yayingithembile wayazi bawunike ibeat yaba izabuya lezo recorder yabo so yeah ngithathe ixesha bandirekhode but ngayirekhoda yabo ndayirekhoda pha kuye and ingoma bra if yayijonga chorus I think because ngoma zomandoza I think ngoma kaMandoza yabo so I was like man you understand so if ubumamela ingoma ezininzi at that time was even kwi hip hop khona nyoba mhlawumbe like kwazi thatha chorus yalo nje yabo uyidlale ke wena ngihlobo lakho so nami club beat nanifumene and ibeat bra yayingithuma ndenzekela hlobo la beat bone you was like carry hard beat so bone I have to balance the way up but yona nanifuna uphuma nayo phana hey chorus yabona nifuna uphuma chorus then verse ke ndandiyazi ba hayi ke isizoza ngendlela so yaza ngalo hlobo and la ngoma akusuppose ngisebenze no R2 attitude yabo yeah so suppose ngisebenza naye namaxesha ngidalele yabo xa ngifuna ingoma naye bhala naye bhala then ingoma xa iphuma wachuswa hayi wena ngisimama ngiditabe just you know bamasipale yabo so yeah brown daughter you umntoda zange ndiyazi ba mhlawumbe izoba ingoma elawo mina ngani recorder ngayibhala ngayi recorder but ngasithi xa ndivaya nje naxa ngihleli neHotmans kodwa play ubani like ifundini spanile like I'm like yo ngoSihlumans double yes thank you and then I'm bini kumoya ke ngoba xa ngifika kulona ku event kwa movement ibigcwala ngalangoma because I record eyodwa la ngoma quarter splash ngapha yabo sayi record wabe movement but the movement if it's your performer then they will give me a chance and say performer the way
Kona enye line malayithi ayingathi weekend ngini payile boni something like that boni spot sembo
Well, take back pocket, okay.
No,
I remember the lines. Yeah.
And today I know about like today just basically about like gas like life as a gas.
Yeah, you know fit and the message like by indoti we pindivuke yabo so sonke siyayazi ke sa storyline and stuff yabo yeah and ke ngokuxa umshita wasekhaya uyazi bafuna ukubehave njani ufuna ukuziphethe njani yabo even if usonayo but sometimes xa sibethe za director that's why ndinqanya umculo wasekhaya sometimes bana baba utsotsi dal bone so now xa umamela uqonde yeah you can relate if ungasekhaya and like yes yeah you understand yeah I qabanisa 30 style la lingo yasekhaya yabo and ndinqanywa you understand so if you relate ngasekasi uzokwazi uva bakuthiwa
usayifumana lapho ngoma thina ngathi you release kwi digital platforms la
undot ngabona mfethu ngenye idea but I think ngizokuthethe no management yabo 109 ngizame like mhlawumbe sisebenza kwi cover entsha and then mhlawumbe sithi touch ups and then yasibona senza njani dog awusiba ndenza njani yeah.
And then boom after we pumele like iphelile movement like what happened like you did you stop with the music or focus on sporting and like movement iphelile movement after ikhotmana and
yeah after that started and everything right and then the movement yangucwaka and then everyone uphuma indlela yakhe yabo esikhotmana sibadala yabo so nami la focus ngamandla ibenti mina ndaphazanyiswa na impilo manje tsambo so ndabhekana nento ezempilo zami ndabhekana nami ndabhekana nesibani yabona mfethu yeah and then ke ngoku nda decide I think kwakhe out nandifuna naye se forest so la out and betha ngebeat yabo so xa mamela le beat ngitona man ngibuyele ku line dala noko ndi out again so andibuyele nena ndabhala ingoma ithi Camakho
issue
yeah but ndayilahla la beat la beat but ndafumana enye kuta splash so ndasebenza phezulu kwaliyana then ndabhala ingoma ikuthiwa Camakho and then ke ndazisebenzela phela yami ndazisebenzela ke ngoku since then
and then when did the 109 came about like figure because nabe nibona like ndakhumula ndibona like then we record nami kuta splash la man siya pa figure no ta attitude
buso ba konta remember Lloyd
nam like
I think that's a movement ngana kubona movement Sana kubona movement caution
I movement but you khotmana
no I think ukufanisa no Lwanda I think ukufanisa no Lwanda
yeah Lwanda BBC pa no Sean PC
yeah no Sean PC yeah talented lo boy leske sayifaka under the wings
asebenza nayo ta Sean la
sebenzile naye brother talented too much
nabe bye echafisa mana ezinye izinto like awe support because supportana thina as artists so but like utakabhekana namazi yena bisho mngataloid yamazi utalonabo mosco khona imilethi guitar man utaloid man bo yamazi lonabo la lonabo mangiloid mangesi
so namazi bano
yabana biko better the movement so even the last days Herman Takapatin we bama bethu yabona I mean kenzeka we bama bethu so indlala no Takapatin tibana hlamqabheni no Taloid la the studio and all the stuff but And I know then why ends the RP to man.
It's always a piece of
So like the 109 Entertainment and when did you how did you join?
Okay. I would say 109 is brand new.
Brand new.
They came in the name 109, but abantu abakuyo
dala bithe
can say ziyochiza abantu edala beyenza yabo. So yeah, like I said, go besendizibethela mos now yabo. The piece ndedwa ne singles zami like uCamagu and yo, I think that namthatha at some point dayom recorder ku K-Beat because of equality wise, so now recorder ku K. So you know bengisebenza no K ke ngoku. Yabo. Yeah, K-Beat. Shout out to that nigga man. Yabo, so bengisebenza naye ke ixesha elininzi until nazodibana namajita. Yabo, attitude.
Yeah.
Anibahamba bayikuse. Yabo.
Siyabetha.
Afuna siyabetha man. Na yeah, esivile futhi udrop ingoma uCamagu and stuff, yeah. So igang have ingoma okay. Afundini man. Yabo. How about? Yabo.
Yeah.
And bra khange benazo ne second thoughts thinking teen. I was like attitude, yeah. Come on, let's do this my nigga. Yabo. So same time dathatha go join ngelo hlobo yabo. And yini bemangele into join like the movement bro after yona. And then I was like, okay, maybe ngenye nje reunion lena yami nami no attitude siphinde yabo. I think the system improve. You dig. So I'm like, no man, let's prove it. But ngaphinde siyenze the way funding yabo. So that join again I'm 109. I think yeah, feel cool attitude. Esekudala naye ke nomathatha besiza nayo kahle yabo isaza kahle nangoku. So I mean uLando uSnare.
No, that's me.
Yeah, so yeah, join ngalo hlobo mina. So I was like, okay,
cause
let me get to the gang sisebenza.
Cause now cause poster la like the poster la 109 Entertainment, you know, didn't born in history but kind ask you
bakubethwa bathi, yeah. Okay, sorry, think no sape, yeah. I think ngaba no sape and stuff, yeah. Maybe beyiqalile and then
cause I saw and then dabona ke ngoku ni perform kama sifunde la thatha niqonda yabona no sape but kama hey anu se 109
yeah.
Like how did that gig come about Masifunde? About I want to work with Masifunde.
Ilanduka le. The S start.
Yeah, start.
Oh, okay, yeah. I think sasinqokolena lamajita manje ufana nosigqibo ngoba
okay, man's busy.
Yeah. Balamjita ufundile bangufundile makhasi. Yeah. So I think sidibene nebhurazi yabo and sabachazela basingabana banjani siperform umculo njani yabo. And then I think nabo babe nengoma bayaziyo. Okay. Yeah, you 109 and then they be like, okay, I know ingafitha man pa.
Yeah, guidelines.
Ukaloku awuthi yeah, yibona vele aswani umculo siwenza nesenze show ba. Because ngoku akusekho into yabo. Ngeke wenze umculo wakho. You dig my dog. So akwazi ukwenza nje ngoku bra yabo.
I'm planning to change amandla. Ufuna usele nami drink like.
Shut up, basel drink vele. Basel drink bra. Yabo. So I think nala gig yafika ngelo hlobo ukuthi and yo sawabulela amajita kakhulu ngeplatform yabo and stuff usadibana nabantu namajita busy kwinto ze entertainment ba like Olia bebe pha yabo nalamjita
experience la
khona nomjita naye ubusy ke too much like sabantu apha elalini kwe social media umbani umjita wakhona but naye wayepha I think wayesi speaker pha. So yeah yabo
Phanjile.
Phanjile lapha.
I was lit.
So bekumandi mfethu man saya song and shout out again to K-Beat naye wasicela usikhapha and then saya song ephana. Yeah mfethu man sayenza into yethu yabo izibasathe echunayo namhlanje.
That's lit. I'm behind all the time. Before I only 109.
Thanks man.
But like every go recorder like when like out of like I don't know how many years of recording, but like these big projects. We already release projects. Do you have any projects out there? Can you've been releasing like singles only?
Oh, okay. When it comes to e-project,
like you have individual like e-project, like EP,
like an EP also. Yo, I think like being in a couple earlier that at that time bungayazi bahlambi like ungakhupha noma ungayenzi iphi but at that time ungakho ba inoba ungayikhupha njani because I remember kuta splash ngoma about 5 or 6 which is ngayenza maybe EP or something but at that time engqondo namakhondo ye-EP ndithi out ngisakhula ngifuna kule game so every song enibanayo mina into endifuna ukuperforma bro ngabe ngifuna ukuperforma yabo so that kuzothiwa yabona leya then ke ngoku mhlawumbe ndicinge ke ngoba okay thatha izingoma man dimansi lenza ipi manje izinto yami yabo otherwise ndayenda ifunda loo nto kwi-movement ngizoyifunda ku-movement umsebenzi omninzi webhayi sayidibanisa ipi and then sazenzela ilaunch yethu safumana i-sponsors sisindoshwa siphi opportunity kwakumandi sayenza aphezansi struggling job sayenza plat i-sponsor pulled up yabo akho umuntu wasidisappointayo kwakumandi Brian and sayenza into yethu sashiya ku-plat and now sibulele
so ninabamosha la Florida
sashiya ku-plat and then kwafumaniseka noba ngosiphi business naye yabo and business yethu naye yayi-health yabo even though abanye abantu bengayi-understand into yomculo sometimes abanye abantu like bafuna ukunika ubutshwala abanye bafuna ukunika inoni usisiteri sahlala naye phansi simchazele nesis thina sisebenza ngehlobo yabo sifuna into ethile sifuna i-cash thina because le cash sifuna no sifuna ukwazi ufumana i-mics sikwazi ufumana ithini into yabo computers because asinceda nganoni into sihambe siyorecord umculo bra vele kwanzima ngexesha lakho and then you go tavern and uzanikwa few beers and then you good that's not cool bro. I think as i-artist ezafuneka silungise lawo
inyani la but ke noba lakhe niyabheka la
for sure
because une-fans la I'm like abantu khona mina nikonyishow nayo manje udala la kade akaperform lakhe
ne-fan base wona ngithela Masimba bakade aperform uyawushuwa keso stage ustranded Masimba kanye vele ungamanyele kuthiwa come awuphulaki so otherwise naye mshila pick up to him acho swami so he is big naye oma bro
cool la like ulakhe like sayirapper naye kudala
notorious
cause nimbone ecula and like uyakhumbula sheni
yamsebenzela big time kunotorious mfethu kwela xesha sonke sasisisikome mshila wayirap
hardcore nikazi la
and ke attitude right wayikwazi umassist at some point yabo bama nsusele line fakele line sithi otherwise I'm notorious big time
when I am standing sabo so niya rap cha hardcore uculi like
ekhona ingoma yami ke yathi uthando bengena zami ngathi but ubone ayikomkhukane mina mfethu mina ndisebenza ngebeat if they aba okay ingathi nento ezithile okanye ufuna into ethile
masikhwele kuyo
so ibona phambili phuma njani yothiki
so style sakho so rap wena like how did it who inspired it okay busitshile kudala manje ezabonza kudala like cause now when I make umculo I just make it for a performance style like I just just want to make it fun party crowd in la in the mess la
and you have to be in style sakho you know
that's another thing
Una online bro online nyanzi zoyithetha online like yabona like attitude like even though bengicula naye attitude ubumuva bro even mhlawumbe if you drop a single out ubuyiva but damn
weird
damn bro yabona one of Jesus so much attitude yabona mfethu big time and then I'm shit marvelous bro yabona Roman trust me trust me I mean come on genye legend it's not over come on yabo genye brabo sithi xa umamele uton bakho incala jonga yabo abanye abantu abakuphusha mhlawumbe nawe uyenze manje ngehlo because la brabo sithi come on bro I don't even have to ban i-drag benizithini but usithi xa umamele zakho manzi uve nawe utonde
athi nyani kodwa for me is the number one
you can say that bro asinoyilwa asinoyithini upra uyenza indima yakhe and uyibekile like istamp khona ufuna ukubeka istamp endaweni and then ke unyamalele but istamp yabo
so zangayazi una masterman everywhere
you go everywhere bro
everywhere
so I think nokwenza kwethu back then man xa umamela ibhola umculo wazi lobu all over
dala imani like umculo wasekhasi like bekukho open mics kukho shows like candles like
candles performile chillax as a movement
umnandi like
like cypher bravo there was a lot of ciphers up here
manje ningeni cypher
ufika ngaba phezulu kwakhe cypher ngaba phezulu khandibele ngicala ngakho but xa unyuka man yabo okay cypher
busy manje jo ngango
lapha yabona chillax kwela cala bakhe cypher
because that's bonus in cyphers lapha
yes yeah
man la alaqesha libele USB like I know my USB
okay
this time don't shy track suit man in electric suit
yeah
bonitas for now mainly update bar
yeah
that was late like once again what's the difference between then and now like cuz ngathi ngoku akusekho shows la we omnenze shows either ngilakhe
yeah lento ndithethayo mfethu saying ngathi ngokufuneka uziphakamele yabo like lewe kalakhe itsila uyasebenza hard to the point ebangaba udibanisa ipi then ke ngokwebhayi uzokwazi uzilonjela ishow mhlawumbe uyodibana nalomntu uzokwazi ukunika i-platform say okay ungayenza pha kwami akho ngxaki and then ke ngoku kulapho i-spread akhona ebantwini bawuza kwenza ntoni phi nanjani yabo bazi ke abantu nge-support yabo khona i-support Brian trust me yabo but sometimes we have to take it to another level like ngathi sikhupha kancinci apha ezithaveni yabo sifake kwindawo ezidon ba man so that no uzobona i-fan base kahle ba okay man aba abantu balandela bayanisupport yabo kakuhle leyo so and then, I think zikhona ne-roadmans mhlawumbe ze-programs yabo kanye i-projects like abantu abakwazi ukudibanisa izinto
daslota beke wazama naye babhizi la but sayibona la 18 but now I'm just doing hip hop only like
you know back in the days bro my high back my back stage is cool but like the stage the big stage bro
set up
like ufiki on the machines no 0.5 or heavy K back then afika la majita DJ yopele babecula ke za stage bro ama vela kabetha ke za stage and then thina spies ansubuqwethu one day ba phaka sa stage so kwakhe event esibalawe yabo osidudla bra noma 1000 abesenze zawe and if you check now namabala sandobuildwa we can go there bra sibe ku stage sibe khulu wenza show ewoma
ingaba ngulo show phana qha ngasikuze ngumnu la
organize ngendlela
organize grand la
yes sir.
But so like that, since joining 109, everything has been going well. Like the performer, the top 18 area, they could certified, like how did like those songs come about? 18 area, I fresh now, like the rough and crying.
Yeah.
Rough.
Nah, so far so good, bro. I don't wanna lie. So far so good. Yeah, bro. Even now as Gaga dropping up as calling on his place kwazo yabo sekhona ezinye izinto esizilungisayo yabo so that sizophela ngehlobo sifuna uphela ngalo yabo but so far so good otherwise 18 area it was a song that suppose yenzwa ngo-Attitude no Sable mnandi ikho apho that suppose bona boyi-2 bayenza 18 area yabo but Attitude came to me and say funa ngikamamela lapha kule beat and zama ucinga ba singazana ntoni apha yabo otherwise Sable nayo i-chorus apha and I'm like mamela i-chorus ka Sable and I was like I'll be honest sorry Sable nona yami but I was like yayiva le beat bra no ayidingi bra asama utrack something man ezabane sing along yabo something ngoba zabo izakudala and naleyithanda la way kwezinye ingoma yabo so amasisipana soyi-2 nowachu so simile ke sidlala le beat sidibanisa le chorus ngingancinci piece by piece bone mfethu word by word sidibanisa to the point yoba ngabasala efondini nasi chorus and then we like Sable come here tell me nasi chorus mfethu am so 18 area wasangelo hlobo and nathi kusibhizi naye until sabhala iverse sarecord ingoma sayikhupha
And you can get it on all digital platforms.
Yes, into yayo all over you can get it, Brian. Nathi siyayipusha yabo, siyayipusha and then ke salandisa ngo-certified.
Certified.
Yabona yake ya attitude ke nawaza ngile ay chorus yabo ngendlela right.
Yeah, attitude right.
So now I split up because some you know from way back from the attitude we've been working like that yabo. If it's dibana ne beat chorus zayihlulelana.
Yeah.
Sizayibulala zethu. Yabo.
Napha kulelo
You did.
Yeah. 18 areas.
Okay. Yeah. Yabo. But our 18 area yena yambetha kunje na nimthakathele yabo. Certified siyamsplitter here and then and sibethe. So yeah, I mean otherwise there's more projects ezizayo yabo.
So we call the project ezizayo this year kanye awukhona ukunithetha.
I would say ukhona umculo zayo.
Yeah.
This year. If yamazu landlord sinazo beat from landlord. Sinaile beat from UK. Yeah, but nale sisayilungisa yabo. But yeah, sinazo ngoma
landlord. I have a beat from a landlord.
Yeah. Nah, it's good as well. So otherwise, yeah, I would say it's going on inside. Yeah, it's going to purchase this place was. Sapushes the schools on Unge, but siyapheka smile.
But yeah, to go the question is quick, man. Just before we close it out. I was called so the question of like smash or pass, but like producers in Insivensan, now like landlord, K Beats.
So far, I think I'm actually the 7s now.
Splash.
Splash asikasebenzi nayo as a 109.
Okay.
Asikasebenzi no Splash 109 yabo. Splash athanda unqaba athanda usifihla otherwise produce emtswemba masimo yabo. I just at a matter of time comes dibane naye siyama romance ngaleli but mna yayazi ba okay manje dangalewi anyway sake saya manguye for ingoma sisazayidibanisa I think ngoma kasipho no attitude khona la soma beke bayenza bayithu.
Hallo Tapitolosh.
Ulanduka usplash.
Oh, that's Splash.
Yeah. So I think phofu awe ba siyasebenza. Kasha sahlamba nake lakhe icala ke mhlawumbe sanidwa nje yabo but so far nakwezingoma besizikhuphile I think sisebenze no Lendo. Yeah.
Landlord.
No keep it.
Wait. Top 5 rappers yakho yasewoma da. Who's your number 1, 2, 3? Can not in the order? Who are your top 5 rappers, like favorite rappers? Sus far away. Yeah.
Only.
Yeah, just a bit warm.
Okay, obvious number 1, attitude.
You sure?
That's my number 1. That's Big Dog. Yeah. Number 2, I'll say Master Marvelous.
You sure? The guy is in order,
yeah. In order, Brian.
Hey.
Not for me, ne?
Okay.
For me, attitude is my number 1.
Yeah.
You dig?
Yeah.
And then we go number 2, we go Marvelous.
Yeah.
Number 3, I'll go TS, yeah, Roman.
Balo.
TS, I think I rap no Marvelous.
When I have.
So TS. Swagger, baby. Yabo. I love Swagger, bro. Lloyd Stakes. Why not? Lloyd Stakes. Shout out to Lloyd Stakes. For me, take time now.
I just need some beats.
Yeah. I mean, in the muyenza, but I soon of beat. Ngiyongela uyadibana
ithi topics so profile sabona manje ngiyangbuya the under 109
you know never know
so man I'm like before we close it like where can we get your music, where can we get you, okay, where can we get like follow you if you want to know more about where now, and then where can we get umculo wakho?
Cool dog. You can catch me on Facebook, Baxolele. Ezinye ke digital platforms and not that big also yabo. And then if you want to follow more Baxolele music, you can go to 109 Entertainment. You get everything. Sikhona ku Insta, sikhona ku TikTok, Facebook. You know, YouTube uyangena, Spotify uyangena uyafumana umculo wethu no SV ukhona kangakho, but
true.
Facebook baxolele Mtila, that's all.
And then before we close it, which one do you like doing the more, making the music or performing the music?
Can I choose both?
Okay,
both.
Because
both,
wesixa ingoma yakho yazi bayayapi.
Yes sir.
Clients has
and I mean is artist to work with, bro. Noma ngifike studio ngiyezi yacaba he joke mini yonke lesi studio. Naba ngingamjila if le beat umsekelo lapha ingoma. Balibhale pha kum la practice apha kum. Ufika ngam studio ngamdithi laysa nje nginjalo sokubani godu.
Yeah. I'm like ngibhala mina memorize yona.
Exactly.
Memorize to studio.
Both, bro. And then xa siyo performer. Nah. It's good how you perform.
Okay. I just want to say thank you, Khulmani. And to everyone who's reached this part, I just want to say thank you. Yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow Khulmani Baxolele Mtila on Facebook. Follow me, Lloyd Stacks TXR on Facebook. Subscribe. Follow us on everywhere. 109 Entertainment.
Yeah, babe.
We are gone. It's true.
Have a great one.
Yeah.
Thanks, Machi. Thanks for it. Awe.